In this tutorial, we're going to go over LeetCode 520, detect capital. Now, this question is asking me to find the usage of capital in a word to be right when one of the following cases holds. All letters in the words are capital, like USA. All letters in this word are not capitals, like LeetCode, so all lowercase. And only the first letter in this word is capital, like Google. Given a string word, return true if the usage of capitals in it is right. Now we can see here word equals USA. This is correct as it fits this condition here. However, the word flag, F lowercase LA, and then capital G is false as the last one is capital and not the rest of the word. As if it was the rest of the word, it would fit this condition, but it's failing at any of the conditions. Now, all we have to do for this is we can use some built-in functions here. So we're going to do return, we're going to do a parenthesis, and just for my ease, I'm going to do it line by line. So we're going to do word.isUpper, and isUpper is just going to make sure that all letters are uppercase. Along with that, we're going to do OR as we're going to test multiple conditions. Now, next we'll do the all lowercase example. So we're going to do word.islower, and same thing, we're going to do OR, and last we're going to test for the first letter of the word. So with this, we can do word.isTitle, parenthesis, and that'll be all, as we don't need another condition, so we don't need another OR. Now, what we can do is we can just run this to test, and you can see it's correct. Now, essentially what we're doing is just line by line testing each condition. So first with isUpper, this is testing for uppercase letters. Islower is testing for lowercase letters. Istitle is making sure that the first letter is uppercase or capital. It also ensures that the rest are lowercase, so that's why we use isTitle. Now after that, we can submit. And you can see its answer beats 100% in terms of runtime and 50% in terms of memory. Now that's how you can do LeetCode 520, detect capital. Feel free to leave any questions or comments down below. And please like or subscribe if that helped. That'll be all, and I hope that helps.